In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your online presence or someone who's passionate about sharing your hobbies with the world, Weebly offers a simple, intuitive platform to make your ideas shine. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. You can open your web browser and enter the URL found in the description. It's a handy tool if you're already using Square for your business operations. From here, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Make sure you have your credentials at the ready, as we'll need to access the Square dashboard in just a moment. Once you've logged in and are comfortably in the Square dashboard, you might feel a little overwhelmed with so many options at your fingertips. Don't worry. Our goal is to navigate to Weebly so you can focus solely on creating your website. Head over to the Overview section in Weebly, where you can manage all your site activities in one place. It's like the control center for everything you're about to create. Now look for the Website tab. Clicking on this will take you to where the magic happens. The interface is designed to be user-friendly even if you're not a tech expert. Here you'll see an option to edit site. This is where you can turn your vision into reality. The editor is quite robust, loaded with features to give you plenty of creative freedom. Once inside the editor, you have a canvas to create web pages that reflect your style and brand. Consider what you want visitors to see first. Is it an engaging homepage, a vibrant gallery, or a clean modern blog layout? These decisions shape the user experience as well as the overall feel of your site. Take your time here and explore the various templated designs Weebly offers. You can also drag and drop elements to customize the layout exactly how you want. One useful tip is to keep the designs simple and coherent across all pages. Cohesion helps with navigation and provides a seamless experience for visitors. Add relevant images and content that contribute to the message or products you're showcasing. Remember, a well-designed website isn't just visually appealing, it also communicates your message clearly and effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have the foundation to create a stunning website on Weebly that helps you put your best digital foot forward. As you've seen, it's not only effortless but also an empowering process, allowing anyone, regardless of technical skill, to build an online domain. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.